take from there 2 lane, and then I in front of you. I give the bike. Go follow me.
Bro,
I'm not like you bullshit.
it's my lane.
Hey, take photo. You wanna take photo?
Come on. Dave, come on.
You wanna take photo? I give you one.
Bro, I don't want to do this. If you want, we'll go to the police.
This is the problem, you know. You know that your problem, then you do like this. Huh? Okay. No, one bike, you know. I just give the bike, go away.
It's my lane. You went and cut into my lane.
But
Don't come near me.
front there got 2 lane, you know.
And you came into my lane.
2 lane, I in front of
You're on the same length as me, and you cut into my lane. Stay away from me.
Behind you do that, you know.
Bro, I earlier was in my lane. You tried to cut into my lane. That's it. I wasn't looking for trouble.
You don't do that, huh? See you. Why you close your
I don't want you. I don't want to show you my face
Why?
because I don't trust you.
Then you can take my photo. I cannot take your photo.
Cannot.
That is you.
Because you're the one trying to beat me up. You punched me in the face twice. I haven't even hit you once, and I don't want to. What are you doing?
Hey, why you do that?
Because I don't trust you.
Anytime I can find you like I want. Next time, I take the bike. Understand or not? You young. You don't think of people.
The next, can you next time use your mirrors? I was in my lane. It's my like. Can you please stop coming to me, bro? I don't want to fight. We will go to the police. We will settle this. Okay, I don't want to fight you. I don't know.
Can you please let me know?
Yes.
From there, 2 lane. You see how
Yeah, from there, 2 lanes. I was in my lane. You were not in front of me. You were not in front of me.
Kalau I
You said, wait.
my car kena behind lah.
You were on the side. You were on the side. You went over here just to hit me
You
off.
understand or not what I say? Got one bike on the right. You understand or not?
Bro, I'm not settling this here. You want? We're going to the police station right now. No,
You understand or not?
I want to go to the police station.
You go lah.
I'm going. I'm going.
Go lah.
I'm going to go.
Tengok. Kau bike kau. Come here.
I'm not coming there.
Tengok kena.
I am not. You hit my car. You hit my car.
I tell you,
Bro, relax. Okay, I'll come to your car. I will come. I will come.
take photo, come take. Take lah. This one in front or behind?
This, you came in front of me. You cut in front of me. In my lane.
Kalau 2 lane, you cannot. Yeah.
Bro,
kalau
it is
lane.
1 lane. You came, we're not fighting, bro.
Like, I give you last one. Come here. Come here. You think you might?
Bro, I don't want to fight. I said we'll go to the police station. So simple. If you are correct, you can get.
Pakai otak, jangan pakai video. You take.
I wanna rationalize. You're the one that punched me.
Take what you do. Don't take what people do.
Bro, you punched me. Did I punch you?
Bang, you tahu tak kalau punch behind or front? Do you understand?
You came to my side.
Do you understand or not? Babi. You understand or not? Behind or front? Otak ada
This is my lane. You cut into my lane.
Long lane lah, cannot punya behind lah. Otak ada pakai lah.
I'm not going yet. Because I don't trust you.
Then
I'm not gonna let you take my photo. You can take a picture of my car. You wanna go police station, that's how you go.